What is a cell? Let's explore the tiny building block that makes all life possible. A cell is the smallest unit of life. It has a membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. All living organisms are made of one or more cells. Cells group together to form tissues and organs. Cells carry out life processes like respiration, nutrition, and reproduction. Remember, the cell is the basic unit of life, carrying out all essential processes in every living thing. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.